Efficiency paradigm comes from Adam Smith. Equity paradigm comes from thoughts of Karl Marx. And ethics paradigm comes from Mahatma Gandhi. And the ecology paradigm comes from the concern for the environment. Triple bottom line model of profit, people and planet.
No, this conference covers wide range of topics, the development economics, education, public finance, and Karnataka economy and all. So I basically spoke on Indian economy, challenges and opportunities. So because a lot of global turmoil is there, so how India is having policies to tackle this global turmoil. So we'll have our response to the global turmoil is Atmanirbhar Bharat and Swadeshi kind of thing. So we have to focus on manufacturing sector to improve employment, and also Viksit Bharat doesn't mean only achieving the developed status by 2047, but we should also have inclusive growth, more quality employment, and also sustainability, and also climate resilience. Thank you.
Good name, sir?
Mahendra Dev.
Influence 3.0 is a platform to bring public policy makers, academicians, educationists, students, and everybody involved, dabbled in policy making for discussions, deliberations, dialogue on various topics. Why economics and public policy matters for India in the digital century. We are having multiple sessions here. We are having sessions on developmental economics, we have sessions on the sustainability, special development goals, we have talking about public finance, we are talking about NEP, we are talking about the Viksit Bharat and the global trade stage, we are talking about Karnataka economy, so almost everything is canvassed. So that's something which we love here, which we are invited around every people. We have had some big dignitaries inaugurating it, and we have 50 speakers, almost 50 speakers who are going to address us over these next 2 days. Thanks a lot.
If we talk about economics, nothing in this country can move until people understand economics. Everyone should understand how economic works, what is the impact of economics on our lives, and probably that is what we are trying to do. That we are engaging students, faculty, staff, and the paper which are come to engage everyone to understand how country grows and what contribution is required from general public, including the people who are into business or in the workforce. So everyone should start studying economics clearly. Other subjects are important, but nothing can happen in any country until economics is clear. Thank you.
Good name, sir?
Manish Jain.
Energy in the room, the very idea, the concept that you people design, the type of hospitality that you have provided, and the type of lineup of the speakers that you have done. I think each one of these is extraordinary, and I'm sure the students who attended, who are attending, they are going to benefit. Rest of their life it will be memorable. I'm very happy. Congratulations, and I wish you good luck for the next 2 days of deliberations. And each one, if I think you're a student, I wish you the best in your careers.